Hello dear students, today we will continue our previous topic, tables. Now see, there are two attributes of table tag, row span and col span. Row span means merging two rows, col span means merging two columns. As you can see in this table, if we don't merge these columns, then there are two columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Two columns, 1, 2, and 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have merged two columns, so col span will be 2. Here I have merged two rows, so row span will be 2. Now how will you do this? Let us see. See, first of all you will write basic HTML structure, HTML head, title, body, then table tag. You will give border to the table. Here I have given width and height so that table will appear bigger on the screen. 50% means it will be 50% of the size of the window. Okay, if your window is of 100%, then it will be of 50% of the size of your window, browser window. Now first row, tr tag, tr bg color is equal to yellow. It's optional. If you want to give color, then you can give, otherwise not. Then th tag, as it is heading, then th tag. Here you can see th col span is equal to 2. That means we have merged two columns. You can merge 2, 3, 4, how you want. And then there is another row whose color I have given pink. th heading name and age. There are two columns, name and age. Then close this row. Third row, here I have given another color. Its data is td. td, give any name. Then td, here row span is equals to 2. Here I have merged two rows. td row span is equals to 2. Then you will close tr tag. Then another row. Here only one td, because you have merged two rows. Ajay and Priya, second column will be merged. Then you will close tr tag. So see how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 rows are here. You will save the file in the same way. File, save as, give the name of the file, then .html. Then you will get the output like this. This is the border of the table. This is the first row. This is second row. This is third row. As you can see, this is third row and this is fourth row. Okay, in fourth row there is only one record, Priya, as there is no other record for this row. Now suppose I add one more row. You can simply copy and paste. I have added one more row, and if I increase row span is equals to 3, then what will be the output? Save the changes, Ctrl S or file save, then refresh here. As you can see, another row is added here, Tanu, but as I have merged 3 rows, now it will be merged with this also. Okay. Okay, now suppose if I don't want to merge this cell of this row, I want another data for this row here also, then what will I do? You will reduce the row span to 2, and then you will add another data here, td, any value, and then close td, and then save the changes, then go back there and refresh. See, there is another data for this row, Tanu, age 23. Okay, in this way you can merge 2 columns or 2 rows, 2 or more rows or columns. So that's all for today. Thank you.